Good morning, guys. A fidget thing. This one I got to put some magnets in. Well, I'll put some magnets in it, if I've got the right size, and see if it works. Spotted this one in my YouTube feeds. PrintingPaul is the channel. 3D printed fidget clicker with magnets. Now, I looked at it and I thought, I think I've got those magnets. I think those are the right ones. They come out of these magnetic toys. I've got a couple of sets of them that I bought just to pinch the magnets out of them. Bought them in charity shops, cheap. So it's a cheap source of magnets. The size that it's printed, these do fit, but they're just a little bit loose. So I'm going to put some glue on them. Quick break there. Postman just rang the doorbell. Okay, so where were we up to? Yeah, got these magnets. They're a little bit of a loose fit in there, so I'll have to glue them. So I've got super glue there. But the general idea, I think we can demonstrate. Oh, no, it's jumped right out. They might be a tiny bit big. I might have to push them in a little bit. I could probably warm them and give them a little push. Or heating magnets is not a good idea, but I could use a sacrificial one to get the depth. Because they're just sitting a bit flush. I think he said 3mm, and I think these are probably 4mm thick. Yeah, I might do that. I might warm one up, give it a little bit of a push to get the depth right. I didn't sacrifice any of my magnets. I found I've got a drill bit with the right diameter. So I warmed the end of that, pushed it in to give us the depth. It's probably the best one to show. So that now goes all the way in. So I will now super glue them in place, making sure they all point the right direction. They want to be attracting, not repelling. Magnets all in place. The glue's dry. Don't want to actually glue it solid, do we? Quite a pleasing sound to it as well. Oh, I'm very pleased with that one. You could have done it in different colours. So you've got different coloured buttons. I'll put a little bit of glue on there and seal it up. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.